So with part 2 of the word problem that we're working out here, we see it's divide $80 among 3 people, so the second will have twice as much as the first. Same problem as we had the first time. Third will have $5 less than the second. I've made a new tab here called Goal Seek after the first video that we made just a little bit ago. I'm going to go ahead and copy what was here over, just to kind of have the problem there and such. I'm not going to need this right here necessarily. Well, I'll go ahead and keep it. Let's go through at this point and just kind of work through the problem from scratch again and see how we got there. So what we're going to do first of all is that these are our formulas. Divide $80 among 3 people, so we know that there's 3 people, person A, person B, and person C. The total equals $80. The second person, so person B, will have twice as much as the first, so B equals 2A. And the third person will have $5 less than the second, so C equals B minus 5. Once again, we did that by hand earlier in that problem to see how that it goes. So what I want to do at this time is that I'm going to go through and set the problem up as if we or that we haven't worked it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this 17, but these formulas here would be the same as what we had originally on here. So when we work this, we know that B equals 2A, so equals 2 times A, and we know that C equals B minus 5. Okay, so C equals B minus 5, and that's 80. So all we would have to do is just go through and just start putting numbers in here until we got the sum to equal up to 80, and we could just keep doing that over and over until we got to the right number. But that could be kind of difficult if we did that a whole lot. So instead of doing that, now that we have our formula set up, we're going to go through and do our goal seek. Okay. In the data tab here, we will go to the what if analysis and look at the goal seek, and we are wanting to set cell C5 here equal to 80. Okay, and I'm sorry, I lied on that first one. I want to set that cell. I want to set that cell, the sum here, okay, is going to be equal to 80, and the value that we're going to change is going to be the one here in A. Okay. And when I do that, you can go through, you can see that it goes through, gets everything correct. I don't need all of this. I just brought it over to explain to you where those formulas came from. And you can also use those to check and see that we got the same answer, whether we did it by hand or using goal seek, it was all the same. So pretty easy as far as all that goes on how we get to that using goal seek.